Hey there, I'm going to show you how to create a group on Facebook to run your parties. So let me make myself a little smaller here. I'm going to go to Facebook, and I'm going to go, this is my main landing page, pay no mind to the nasty finger there on somebody's timeline there. So I'm going to go and create a group over here on this menu. And I'm going to create a new group. So we run groups because everyone always asks groups or events. Groups you can schedule posts in, and events you cannot. And events are a little harder to find. Once a guest joins it, it's kind of hard to find it again. So I just use groups. It's easier. So over here on the left, I'm going to create a group named Beverly Harpers. I like to use their last name too, so guests know which Beverly. Oh, Beverly Harper. So choose privacy. I do private. If you set it to public, everybody and their grandma is going to see it in their timeline that are friends with me, and I don't want that blasting my timeline. So I set it as private. You want it to be visible. If somebody searches for it, they can find it. And then here I would invite my host. But I'm not going to do that right now because I am pretending to create a group. But you would invite your host there, and I'm going to click create. I typically do this on my phone just because I'm more efficient with it. And then I'm going to edit and add a picture. If you need to see how to create a cover photo, go and find my Canva tutorial, and I'll show you how to download them from Marketing Imagery on Consultants Corner and how to edit them. So let's see. There is my image I want to use. I'm going to click open as it loads. There we go. So this image normally looks a bit better on a phone than it does on a computer. Most people are using their phones. But you can slide it around if you wanted to. I like to just kind of do it like this. So I always update the guest special in the image now. It's what I've been doing, and then the date and time. So everything they need to know is right here in the image at the top of the group. When is the party? When is it lasting? And where can they go to order? So save changes. And then, where's the description? Here we go. So you can manage your settings are over here on the side. You can schedule posts, so you can see what your posts that you've already scheduled. I use Post My Party. You can look into that in the units under Warner Keep Moving group on Post My Party. But yeah, so then there's settings. So I'm going to go to settings, and I can change the name and the description of the group. So on the last day to party, I changed the name, but here in the description, I have a Google Doc, and I changed the description. It has the link to order in it. Let me get the words, and I'm going to copy it and paste. All right, so I have pasted my description word. So on my phone, I have text replacement, so it's all saved in. So I normally would skip that step. So I like to space these out. Just find something that works for you for the description of the party. I kind of give the highlights of what's happening. I have information on our inventory, shipping, what kind of expect, and then I have the link to order, and I'm going to click save. So then when I go back to the group, let me refresh the page to get that post to show up. I can click the three dots here, and I'm going to mark it as an announcement. So just how this cover photo says, hey, click the announcement tab to order, it will be up at the top for them the first time they come to the page. Once they viewed it once, it won't be there. They have to click the announcement tab to see it. I also post in a welcome post for them to see, so once everyone's starting to come in, they have something they can read to know what's going on as well, and what to expect over the next week. So that is how you create a group on Facebook to run your parties from.